Hello and welcome to MB140 Medical Terminology. My name is Chris Edwards. I'm the Program Director for the Medical Billing and Coding program. I want to take a moment to share with you some exciting changes we've made to your online environment. If you look at this first page, you'll notice that things here look similar. You have an eGo Cafe, questions to the instructor, and your Module 1 checklist. As we go down a little bit further, you'll notice some things have changed and some things have stayed the same. First thing I'd like to look at is your Module 1 discussion. This seems similar in the fact that you've been asked to give your opinion on a topic, you're asked to give an example, and to post your opinion of what's happened. Next, you're asked to post to at least 2 other students with your opinion of their post and their discussion. As we go down, the next portion we're going to look at, something that we've added to this would be a Module 1 lecture response. This is something new we've implemented this year to this program. It's been found successful in other programs, and we thought we'd bring it over to the Medical Billing and Coding program to make it more useful and informational to our students here. For this assignment, you're going to watch the lecture or listen to the lecture similar to what you've been given here. You'll listen to the lecture and then submit a 150-word summary of what you learned from the lecture and what the lecture contained. This is a neat and easy way for students to have an opportunity to listen to their instructor, get some viable information from the course material, and then provide a feedback or provide information to what they've learned. Next, we will look at your Terminology 1 assignment. Terminology is very important in taking words and combining words to make other words. If you'll notice, you've been given a list of words, chapter 1, chapter 2, so on and so forth. In these words, we've taken a terminology word, hepatitis. Hepatitis is actually from 2 root words. We have hepat, which is liver, itis is inflammation. So we have hepatitis, which means inflammation in the liver. You will be able to download your PowerPoint slides. On the PowerPoint slides, notice here you'll have an example. Example we show here is we have osteoporosis. We have 2 root words, osteo meaning bones, and root word porosis meaning full of holes. So osteoporosis is a weakening of the bones. You will be asked to do the same information on the slides and the words that you were given. First, take the example of the word, and then write down the 2 root words which make up that word. The next thing we'll be asked to do in Module 1, after we complete the discussion, the lecture response, and the terminology assignment, is you'll be given a written assignment to complete. In your written assignment, you'll be asked to write a 2-page essay on the integumentary system. The integumentary system comprises of our skin, our nails, our hair follicles, our hair, all the different material that goes into those different parts of our body. For this paper, I would like you to write a response as to what is the integumentary system, what are the roles and responsibilities of the integumentary system, what are the benefits of the integumentary system, and then if you would like, you may define some, maybe a downside to the integumentary system, maybe different infections that our skin may be able to have. The requirement of this paper is to be 2 pages long, discussing this information. Please remember that it is in APA format as well. The last thing we'll be discussing in Module 1, the last thing you'll be discussing on most of your topics, the last thing you'll be asked to do will be a Module 1 quiz. Medical terminology is very, very important when learning information. This becomes part of your everyday activity as far as speaking to other individuals in the field. Now, if you have followed the discussion questions, the terminology assignment, and the written assignment, the Module 1 quiz will seem more like a review. However, if you have not done the assignments that you have been asked, you may find the quiz very challenging to get through. Please remember, when going through this course is a very, very viable thing, a very important thing to have for the rest of your schooling. This is a puzzle piece of your curriculum and of your career that will help you to piece together most of the information and most of the terminology and the understandings of the information that you will come in contact with throughout your career in the medical terminology, medical billing and coding field. I look forward to spending time with you as we discuss this wonderful world of medical billing and coding in the medical terminology. Thank you.